Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable skateboards in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is WhiteFang Complete Skateboard. This is an example of a model that would be sold at a big box store. So, while the quality is far lower than anything from a recognized brand, this is still a suitable option for any kid that's still figuring out if skateboarding is for them or not. This board will help beginners learn the basics of riding, build their confidence, and assist them in developing their ollie and possibly some tricks. The WhiteFang bearings rolled better and farther than the other 2 budget boards, but still were only mediocre at best. This board won't be seen under the feet of your favorite pro on the X Games, but it is a decent starting point for those with a desire to learn. It arrived fully assembled with just the deck wrapped in plastic, which is fairly standard for toy store boards. However, to fully remove all of the plastic, one would have to take the trucks off, so we just peeled it off the best we could, but there were little bits of plastic wrap left sticking out on both sides of the deck. Like the Cal 7, the deck is not as crisp and snappy. This one is also quite thick and heavier than a pro board. The truck's material seems softer than any of the others, and they are not very stable or responsive while riding or turning. Although they seem capable of grinding, the instability makes it hard to reach any obstacle to grind it. When compared to those on the Element or Powell, the wheels are skinnier, harder, and slicker while riding. So, even though this Complete did not receive high marks in any area, the WhiteFang is still a passable model for anyone that's just starting. Number 2. Our second best pick is Retrospec Quip Mini Cruiser Skateboard. This is a penny-style cruiser and a fun option for all ages, but especially for kids. This cruiser is much smaller than any of the other boards we tested, which gives it excellent maneuverability and the greatest ease of control while riding. The bearings maintain their speed quite well, and the big and rubbery wheels roll over cracks easily, providing a smooth ride on any type of surface. While the trucks are very small and aren't meant for grinding, they do perform well and can turn on a dime. With its compact size, this cruiser is great for transportation and can be stored in nearly any space. Being that this cruiser is so compact, even the larger model may be too small for anyone with larger feet. Also, having such a short wheelbase requires the rider to keep their feet close together, making it harder to lower their center of gravity, which decreases one's stability. While these plastic cruisers are very agile and are the most affordable models that we tested, they are only meant for transportation and do not have the ability to get off of the ground or up a curb without the assistance of some sort of ramp. Overall, the Retrospec is a very fun option for zipping around and is great for kids improving their balance and learning how to ride. Number 3. Our third best pick is Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard. This is another versatile model and our favorite for use as transportation. Even though it's called a mini cruiser, it's slightly bigger than the plastic cruisers we tested and has more options for use. This one has a larger deck of maple, with a longer wheelbase, the space between the trucks, which allows for a wider stance and gives the rider more stability and control. The deck has a kick tail and a very short nose, increasing the maneuverability and allowing for some basic tricks. The top side has a clear sandy grip finish in place of grip tape, which shows off the wood grain underneath. The wheels are thick, soft, and wide, and the bearings are fast, enabling them to roll smoothly and maintain speed on any ground, whether concrete or asphalt. The wide wheels also reduce the surface area of the hangers on the trucks, so while some tricks are possible, doing any grinds is not very likely. The gritty finish on top of the board has a very thick grain, much thicker than an average grip tape. This provides good traction when riding, but you should be cautious when carrying this board, and it can easily tear through shoes if tricks are attempted. All in all, the pros greatly outweigh the cons. This is our recommendation for both kids and adults looking chiefly to cruise around town. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PHOEROS Starter Complete Standard Skateboards. This is the fourth of the modestly priced setups we tested. What sets this board apart from all of the others is the additional goodies that it comes with, including a tool, 2 extra bearings, a sheet of stickers, a set of different colored paints, and a carrying bag. While we understand that this product is meant for kids, and we appreciate the encouragement of creativity, these bonus items didn't make up for the low quality of this model. This starter complete is similar in size and quality to the WhiteFang, so it will help a novice-level skater develop some basic skills. However, this product arrived damaged and performed worse than any other during testing, so we don't recommend it. Correctly. Also, the bearings were among the worst we tested, as they lost their speed almost immediately after pushing and only rolled a little more than 30 feet from a single push. If price is your main concern, there are other options with better value available at a similar price. Bottom line, the PHOEROS is an option for a kid that has never stepped on a skateboard and wants to learn to ride, but it's our least favorite model from testing. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is WhiteFang Complete Standard Skateboard. It doesn't match the quality of products made by a reputable skate brand. However, out of the boards that we tested in this lower price range, this one clearly felt the best and performed far better than the others. Although the deck has virtually no concave, it is not as thick and heavy as the PHOEROS or WhiteFang models, and it has better pop and higher quality grip tape. The generic trucks on this complete are also much better than the others at a similar price point, as they are more stable, and they turn and grind decently well. Although it's better than some, it has a rather dull pop, which requires more effort for tricks. The deck is also slightly bigger, at 8-inch wide, so it's a good size for teens or young adults, but it may be harder for younger kids to control. The bearings on this setup do not roll very fast or far and don't maintain their speed very well. When the rider stops pushing and has both feet on the board, the bearings start to lose their speed rather quickly. It performed the worst of all during our bearing test and only rolled about 30 feet from a single push on a smooth flat surface. In summary, this is a decent introductory model for anyone new to the sport who isn't sure if a pro-quality setup is necessary quite yet. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.